Hello. This video is to show you how to put together a Lego plane. Here you can see, here it is. And we're going to show you step by step how to put this all together. Me and my assistant. Here's all the pieces. We've assembled them kind of like an assembly line. As you can see, some of the pieces have been kind of pre-assembled, but mostly these are all the parts. And when you get your book, it tells you basically how to put all these together. But we're going to show you how to do it on this video, hand by hand. As you can see, there's a lot of pieces, but it's not as bad as it looks. So hold on, and we'll get through it. Okay, so we're going to start with the bottom of the fuselage. Here's the tail and the whole bottom assembly. My assistant will put it together. As you can see, she's aligning the connection points to each section of the bottom of the fuselage. There are little black section connectors that goes in two of the spots of the three holes that you show there. You connect those. Okay, we're halfway there. She'll continue to connect those bottom sections. And the last front, bottom of the fuselage, goes here. It might be easier if you move your hand down the thing so that you have better pressure points like that. Now, as you can see, we now have the bottom of the fuselage. The next section, as we go along here, as you can see, is a number of pieces till we get to the wing. So we're going to assemble those pieces like so. So now, just get adjusted here. We're going to continue to put some of the front pieces together that we need. My assistant will go ahead. Okay, perfect. Now, we're going to put the blue pieces kind of like down the centers as you see in the ribs of the cages. Just line those up and smash them in all the way down the fuselage of the plane. Now on the last piece, as you can see, there's a little like red piece that goes on one side. That side faces the back of the fuselage. So my assistant's going to put that on there, facing that way, like so. There you go. Now you see all the blue pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the front piece is all set up. Next, we're going to move to the top pieces that go on top of those blue ribs we just put in. Starting from the back, my assistant will start lining those up all the way to the end. Until it gets to the front of the fuselage. As you see, they go over the top of the ribs and they touch each other. And now we have that all set. And you see there's one little blue piece sticking out the top. That's going to be important. We're going to need that later. So there you have it so far. As I zoom out, 2 more pieces. Hi, welcome back. Now we need 4 red connectors, and they have like 4 little sections that stand out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 of those. You want to put one on top of the other, so you have 2 sets. There. And the other one's already been made. So we'll just sit those in the back for the fuselage all the way back. Snap that in lightly but firm. And then we want to put the other one on the other side exactly the same way. Alright, now we need two little white pieces. As you can see, you only have two protrusions on those, two of those. Those go in the back of the fuselage right next to the red ones we just attached, except they line up exactly with the front pieces on each side. On the inside there, like so. And get a little closer. You can see that they kind of line up. There we go. And now, moving on to the next major thing, we're going to get the wings. Okay, so my assistant is going to attach the wings. Now you want to make sure that the wings are in the exact spot that they need to be. And they should be right next to the red piece. So my assistant's going to back that up all the way back to the red pieces we just connected. There we go. Now that's the perfect fit. Now we're ready to add on the top pieces that go on top of the wings we just placed on the aircraft. So here's the set that we need to put on there. And as you can see, they have about, the longest ones have about 10 little protrusions there. You can count those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 when you put those on. And the other ones have 3 and 4. Some are gray, some are white. So you want to get those pieces. And we attach those all to the fuselage.